This past month, I made around $1,000 in passive income with Cash App. If you want to see exactly how to do this with Cash App and a handful of other apps, keep on watching because I'm going to be revealing everything. Hi, I'm Andy and welcome back to my channel where I upload mobile app tutorials and experiments. I started my journey here on YouTube over 5 years ago. I found myself testing random videos until something I'm passionate about gained some traction, that being mobile apps. As I started uploading basic mobile app tutorials, I noticed that I could make a passive income with affiliate marketing from several of the apps. One of the apps that I liked best was Cash App. Until now, I haven't really revealed much of my earnings associated with my businesses or YouTube channel, but I decided that it's time. Today I'm going to start by sharing my earnings with Cash App, and in future videos I'd like to show how much I make as a YouTuber, content creator, with tips, tricks, and guides for you to make a full-time living as well. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you're interested. Okay, let's get started. First of all, what is Cash App? Cash App is a full-service banking and investing app. You have a balance, a card to spend your balance, peer-to-peer payments so you can send money back and forth to your friends and family, and some basic investing options like stocks and Bitcoin. The app is very well designed and easy to use, so I like to recommend it to beginners that are looking for a finance app. If you want to get started with this app or check it out, you can sign up with my link down in the description. And you may as well use the link because it'll give you some free money for getting started. Now, here's the kicker. Cash App always has a promotion for signing up that will give the inviter a little bit of money as a thank you. So if I invite someone to use Cash App, they're going to give me a little bit of money. This is the most basic form of affiliate marketing. I promote Cash App and share my link. People sign up with my link and join the app, and we both get a little bit of free money. Be sure to stick around till the end of the video where I'll share a couple of other apps where you can also earn passive affiliate income. As you can see, I have a lot of pending invites. It requires them to complete all of the steps for me to get paid, and sometimes that doesn't happen. That's kind of out of my control though. I just try to do the best job that I can to convert people all the way through the process. The steps can be a little bit different depending on the current promotion, but Cash App does a good job of telling the steps, and you can always just use the same exact link. That link is going to take whoever clicks on it to the current promotion. Now you know exactly how the process works, but getting invites is still way harder than you would think. The number one way to get invites to convert people into money for you is to be a content creator. As you can see here on my YouTube channel, I've created over 100 Cash App tutorials and experiment videos. This creates a steady stream of people searching for my videos, watching my videos, seeing my content, and clicking my link. I believe tutorial content does really well for getting invites and converting people who click your link. So I've made a lot of tutorial videos about Cash App and related competitor apps. I've also done a lot of experiments with these apps, like my series Buying $1 of Bitcoin Every Day that has been going on for over 1,300 days. This keeps people engaged and coming back to my channel over and over. The best way to get invites is to create content for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, etc., and then include the link in your bio or on a site like Linktree where you can share all of your links for free. So now that we have this process pretty well defined, I want to go through again quickly and just show exactly how you would do this. So first of all, you need a Cash App account. Once you're all signed up, approved, good to go, you can tap the icon in the top right corner. That's going to bring up kind of your profile, and then you can tap invite friends. From here, you want to tap the share icon in the top right corner, and then on the bottom of the screen, you just want to tap copy. That's going to give you your shareable invite link. So then when you're creating a video or a piece of content, you can paste this link directly in the description or the caption, and you'll be good to go. People can click on it directly from there. If you want to have more of a website that people click through to and then they click your link, you can use Linktree. just come to Linktree and sign up or log in. From here, you'll be able to add all of your links. You can also customize what your site looks like up here on the top. We just want to click add new link. We can title it whatever we want, Cash App invite. Click on the URL, paste that in there. We can go ahead and remove all of this extra text that they gave us. There we go. Then we just have a clean link. From here, we could click share, copy our Linktree URL. Then let's say we want to use this on an Instagram. We can go to edit profile. We have a website name here. Paste our link there in that field, click done. Now we can see on our profile, it shows our Linktree. So people can click on that. It's going to take them directly to your little website thing that you have. And then they can click Cash App invite, and it's going to take them directly to the page where they can sign up for Cash App. And once they go through this process, you'll be able to start earning affiliate revenue. Now you may wonder, how do I get this money into my bank account? And Cash App makes this very simple. Basically, all of the money you earn goes right here into your Cash App balance. So I've had 3 invites recently, $15 each. All I need to do is tap cash out. I can select the amount here, tap cash out again, and then I can choose instant, which is going to be a 79% fee, or standard, which is Friday in a couple days. I just do standard because I don't need it immediately. And there we go. $45 will be available in your bank account on Friday. It's as easy as that. Very simple process that I think anybody can understand. I've also started a TikTok and an Instagram for my channel where I'll be sharing short bits of info, so be sure to follow me over there as well. Like I said earlier in the video, I've got a couple more apps for you guys to earn passive affiliate income from that I'll share now. The biggest difference between these apps I'm about to share and Cash App is that Cash App has no cap for the amount that you can earn. You can continue to earn without limits for whoever you're able to invite. So some apps are like this, some aren't. So some of the ones I've seen success with are Robinhood, where you can earn up to $1,500 per year, and each person you invite has a chance to get a stock of up to $200. I also use Strike, where people earn $10 per invite and you can make up to $500 per year. Some others are Coinbase, Binance, Outlet, Webull, Public, and many more. It's really up for you to decide which is the best for you to talk about, which one is the safest for you, and which one to promote in your content. So there's a lot of info in one video for you to take into consideration to get started with. I want to continue to dive deeper in future videos and share other ways that I make money. I want to share all my YouTube earnings and information. So be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out. Drop a like on this video. Let us know what you think down in the comments, or if you have any questions. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.